And now it's time to face Heart of Black. I guess Black Heart was taken. Heart of Black. I'm gonna fuck around with Guile. I know he really sucks balls, but why not just play one game with him? Oh, great, and look who I get to fight. I'm fucking thrilled now, man. A character I don't use against the fucking scrubby online Zangief.
And the battle begins. Fight! First hit, the scales are stiff.
Oh, look at this great connection, too. Look at this. It's like a fucking slideshow. Excellent, look at this. You can tell this guy did it on purpose. You can tell he has a lag switch. Look at this. We can't even move now. Yes. Great, now you get to see how long it actually takes me to get into a fucking match. How laughable the netcode is of this game that you cannot find a match. Okay. Oh, actually it wasn't that bad that time. We actually got into one quick. Alright, still want to try Guile. Give me the red. Guile against Rose? What the hell? What a random ass fucking combination of characters this one is. Rose and Guile.
Who will come out on top? Fight! And there's the first hit. What will happen next? This is the walk you the attack.
Bitch crossed me up.
One after one.
Sit down, bitch.
Oh my, we're in for it now.
That's not what I did.
I'm almost ready to call this.
I'm winning with fucking Guile. What's going on? Oh, come on. I was way above her. Is that going to kill him? No, he has a tiny bit left. Oh, I pressed the fucking button. The game didn't do it. Stupid online lag. I jumped and pressed the button instantly and it never came out.
Pick up the pace. Fight! And with that, the fight is officially underway.
Bitch.
Come back. Can they pull it off?
Man, all day I'll finish shit like an ST. I don't care. I'll fucking stand right here the whole match. Bitch! Oh! Look at that, he had his hands on her tits when he suplexed her. He's a perv and a fucking army dude. Oh, I'm sorry, Air Force. Oh, she sucks at using those reflex attacks. She never gets them, look. Oh, she kicks right through the fucking flash kick. It blows in this game. Look at this shit. She doesn't know what the fuck to do. That was the worst match ever. And this guy has 6,100 points and he doesn't know how to fight a fucking Guile? Are you shitting me? Guile's one of the worst characters in the game and you can't fight him? You're horrible. Wow. Don't ever play again. Please don't. Just don't ever play again. You're bad.